What's up guys, Investor TY here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the best trading backtesting software ever been made. At the end of this video you will come to the conclusion whether this backtesting software is way better than the trading view replay button or not. As traders, we know how important backtesting is to us and our skill improvements, and we all get to hear from experienced traders saying you need 5 to 10 years worth of data to backtest, or you need at least 100 trades as for your backtesting results. And we all know how stressful and tiring this can be. So with the help of a tool that can help you speed up the process, speed up the time that would take you backtesting 5 to 10 years of data, I would say it is actually a very, very good software for us traders, and I believe every trader should have this software. Now, before I go straight into my screen showing you the installation process and how to run the software on your MT4, I want you to pause this video for a few seconds. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share to your family and friends who are interested in learning about the Forex market. Let's go to my screen. What's up guys, welcome to my screen, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually install the Forex backtesting software that I spoke about earlier. So this is the website. I'll drop the link to their website in the description below, so you can just get it done for you easily. So once you get to the website, after clicking the link, this is the page you would see, and if you scroll all the way down, you see you are basically seeing information about the software and how it works and all of that and blah 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 blah. I'm really not going to go into all of this, but let's go into downloading the Forex simulator, which is okay. So I've downloaded the software already, and if you actually want to buy the software, I think it's about $109. But let's just go with the demo test and see how it works. So I've downloaded the software, and now the next step you do is go into your MT4, open your MT4, open your MT4 software on your system. So after downloading the software, you go straight to the installation of the software to your MT4. So I have my MT4 opened up. This is a demo account. What you would first do is go to your file. Then from your file, you open. Okay, let's just cancel all of this. Yeah. So from your file, you go to open data folder. Now, once your data folder is opened, you go to where you have the MQL4 folder, then you move to your experts, and once you open the experts file, you copy the file you downloaded from the website and you paste it into this folder. So once you've done that, I've already done that here, that's why I'm not showing this, but I'm explaining how you can do it for yourself. So once you paste the file, you then go back to your MT4 and restart your MT4. For the case of this example, I will be restarting the MT4. After restarting your MT4, you click on any pair you want. In this case, I'm clicking on GBP JPY. Then you drag. Yeah, you all know once you come to your expert advisors here, you'll see the file here, and then you drag and paste. So you get all of this. First, you have to allow live trading, allow deal imports, and all of that. And then you get this. Mind you, this is the demo mode. So you click you have the demo mode selected for you, but if you paid for the software, you would just put your email address and the activation code you got from the supplier basically. So you click on the demo mode and then you click on new simulation. Then you are going to get this page pop up. So what you want to do is click on the MetaTrader 4 and I'll be clicking on GBP JPY. Yeah, and the minimum time frame you can get here is the M15. So if you trade the M5, M1, you won't be able to access any data on them because there's no data on them basically. So I'm going to click on the M15. You can choose your account currency and your starting balance. So let's do $1,000. Yeah, and start simulation. So another thing you need to know is that if you are going to be using the demo mode, you can only take trades 6 times. Yeah, you can only take trade 6 times before the next I think the next 24 hours again, but you are able to take trade 6 times again. So we're going to generate this and then we start the simulation. So this is what, yeah, and then once this page pops up, you can also click the charts you want to open. So I don't use the M15, I don't use the M30. I'm going to start from the H1. So add the H1 charts, H4, add the H4 charts, daily, add the daily charts, weekly, add the weekly chart. The chart is already here. You can add it again. However, you can open it many times as you like, whatever. So you open the H1, open the H4, open the daily, open the weekly. Now this is for when you are going into like deep backtesting mode. So that's why I really like this software. So you can also choose the lot size you want, the stop loss in pips, stop loss in profit, take profit in profit or in price also. So let's just do something. Let's try to backtest. Sorry, trying to move this. Yeah, let's just backtest. Let's just do a little bit of backtesting here. What should we backtest in this video? Okay, let's just give me a minute. Let me. So we are going to do a top-down analysis type of backtesting here, right? So for the sake of this video, we are going to be backtesting the break of the high and low of the H4. Yeah. So what are we going to do? We are going to locate the highs and lows on the H4 time frame and watch how price reacts to that level or breaks that level. So this is what we have with H4. Right. So what's the weekly telling me? The weekly is telling me we are in a corrective phase of the upward trend because we can see that price has basically been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this is like a corrective phase of this trend. So what's the daily saying? More or less the same thing for me too. And yeah, so mind you, we are basically what we are backtesting here is the break of the high and low of the H4 time frame, while we'll use like the daily time frame as our targets. Yeah, so So what I'll be looking out for now is if price can break this level, we are going to get our target. We are going to get out of this trade here. Our risk will be about 20 pips. But if price breaks, so if price breaks this high, our target is going to be here. If price breaks this low, our target is going to be here. Risk is 20 pips. That's what we are back testing. So let's just see what, let's choose H4, reduce the, and let's see. Okay, we can see we are approaching this high. Okay, now price formed equal lows here. All right, let's see what's happening. Okay, now we got to this high and I'm waiting for what, a break, right? Perfect. So we got a break on the H4 and we would scale to the H1 and look for a retest. So what's this level? This level is 161.863. Now I would wait for like a retest on H1 just to see. Okay, now we didn't get this retest, but I'll take a buy here. My stop loss would be just below this candle, which is what, about, which 161.986 price, 161.986, and then my target will be where, the H4I, which is 164.254. 164.254, 161.986. One 64.254, and then yeah, so what we buy, and let's see how price reacts. Basically, let's go to the H4 and see how price is reacting. So we can see we are up in profit. Let's check the H4 bar. Okay, we got stopped out for a loss on that trade. Okay, let's see, we got stopped out and you can see price is moving in our direction and it finally hit our take profit. That's fine. What we do is we wait for a break of that high also. Now once we've gotten a break of the high, once we've gotten a break of this high, our target will be what, the next, this is the next H4 low and the next H4 high, which is here. So we scale down to the H1 time frame, 164.254. 164.254. Sorry, this is a little bit messy, but this is deeper backtesting. 164.254. Okay. Yeah, so what are we waiting for? We are waiting for a retest of 164.254. No retest. Okay, let's just wait. So GG is basically flying right now. No retest. Okay, we didn't get the retest we were looking for. That's fine. Let's see. Okay, we broke this level on GJ now, 166.418. 166.418. $166.418. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for that retest on H1. Okay. Doesn't look like we are getting the retest. I'm not getting this retest. But best believe there are strategies I use to actually get in on this kind of setup. But for the sake of this video, we are just using backtest. We're just backtesting this basically. So what are we really looking out for? Let's see if we actually can break. If we break this that's resistance here. So let's check on the daily. What would happen? I ate MT4 so much. This is why I love trading view. The interface is so nice. So if we break this resistance, basically our next level target would be okay. So what do we do? All right, once we break this, let's just see how we react to that resistance, and then we know if we are going to take a trade. This is the H4. We haven't broken it yet on the H4. So next bar. Okay, we have a break now on the H4. Let's go to the H1. See what happens. What's that level again? 168.330. That level is 168.330. Yeah. So we are waiting for what now? A retest on H1. Perfect. We got the retest on H1. Okay. I think I want to go long here. My stop loss would be 167.999. My take profit, since I don't know, let me check the weekly for my take profit. Let me check the weekly time frame for my TP. Okay. Oof. No. You know what? Let's just use 100 pips for my TP. 100 pips. So if I'm entering at 168.310, I should be getting out at 169.310. So what do? I buy, and let's see. Okay, we got stopped out. Cool. Now what do I do in this case? I go to the H4 and then I see what structure is happening on the H4. Now, what structure is happening on the H4? What I can see now is that we are reacting to this level. So if we break this support level, my target will be here. If we break this, my target will be here. That's what I'll be looking out for. So let's wait and see what happens next. Nice. Okay. Perfect. So now we broke that level on H4 and then we go to H1. What's the level? 166.418. 166.418. We have that level shown right here. So we wait for what? A retest of 166.418 on the H1 time frame, and let's see. Hopefully we get a retest. This is the struggles of being a retest trader. Oh, we didn't get it. Okay. Now we've broken the next level on the H1. Let's check the H4. Okay, we broke it on the H4. Okay, I can see best here. So best believe I would have entered a sell. My stop loss would be 164.488. And then my take profit would be the next level, which is 161.863. So what do we do? What we sell, and let's see, hopefully we get something here. Okay, nice. We ETP. So if we break this level, next target would be here. So what do we do? Let's wait for the break on H4. Are we on our H4 time frame? Yes, we're on the H4 time frame. So we go to the H4. I hope you guys are seeing the way I'm backtesting. So you'll be able to do it yourself in your spare time. Okay, this is very nice. Let's go back. Let's go back. I saw that we retested this level again, 164.23. So we go to the H1, see how that retest played out, and then see how the retest played out. Nice retest engulfing. Let me change this to H1, previous bar, engulfing. So I'll be selling. Stop loss will just be here, 164.421. 164.421. My TP would be where? My TP would be at the H4, which is 161 points, which is about 400 pips. Wow, 161.863. So what do? We sell. We sell on the H4. Let's see how it plays out. Perfect. TP it. We are rejecting this level. Let's wait for a break of that level. Okay. Nice. We got a break of the level. What do? We scale down to H1 and do what? And look for a retest. Okay, we got the retest. I can even sell here. So it will be, you know what? I'm going to sell here. My stop loss will just be here, 162.379. 162.379. And then my TP will be on the H4, which is 157. 157.912. And you do what? We sell. Let's see. Next bar. Okay, we got stopped out. Nice. Okay, now we've broken structure here on the H4. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a retest on H1 forward for buys. So retest on H1 would be, let's see. Okay, this is what I've got this rejection with. I've bought somewhere here. 163.976. 163.976. 63.976. And then my TP will be where? 166.418. You see how I'm playing between those zones? 166.418. What do? Well, we buy. Oh, I've reached my limit. Okay, that's all right. Now what do? We go to check our history. Basically, how do I check that? Okay, you go to your trades and then you see if the trades were profitable or not. So we can see, and then you get to see your graph. So you see that you were, and even from here you can tell if you were in profit or not because it shows your equity. So you can see despite winning just two trades out of about seven, or out of about five or six, we're up about 0.81% trading just that breakout strategy. And then you would see from the statistics, profit rates to loss rates. For largest profit was 9, largest loss was 7.52. This loss was whatever, we were just testing for the sake of this video. And believe me, I won't be taking trades the way I was taking trades in this video. So yeah, really, you just get a like a proper breakdown of your strategy and all of that. And if you paid for the full version, believe me, you'll be getting a lot more of this. So I'm going to drop the link below to this software, and I believe it can really help you guys in backtesting. So I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Peace.